Hello everyone. Today's recipe is an instant pot recipe. I'm going to show you how to make simple Zeera rice. So to begin, I'm just going to need 3 cups of rice, 1 small size onion, 1/3 cup of oil, and a tablespoon of each spice, which is coriander powder, garam masala, cumin seeds, Zeera, and also salt. I will start by setting the instant pot on saute and high heat. I'll add cumin seeds and then the oil. I'll fry the cumin seeds for a couple of seconds and then go ahead and add the onion. I do want to make sure the onion turns golden brown before I add the water, which is and I'll need 4 cups of water for 3 cups of rice, because I'm using basmati Zeera rice and it does need a little bit more water than the regular basmati rice. So there, I'm just going to fry the onion and then I'll show you. I'm just going to wait for it to turn golden brown and then add the water and just a few leaves of coriander, fresh coriander, just for the fragrance, and then I'll add the spices, salt, garam masala, and coriander powder. And there, I'm just gonna give it a quick mix. Add the rice again, mix it together, and cover the pot and set it on sealing. And then I'll take it off the saute mode and switch it to the rice setting for 10 minutes. And so after 10 minutes, the timer as the timer goes off, I'll let it sit there. I'll turn it off and let it sit there for another 10 to 15 minutes. And after 10-15 minutes, I'll release the remaining steam and open the pot. You can see the rice is ready. I will just give it a quick mix and have it with my I was having it with a meat potato stew, but you can have it with rice, with dal or any curry you like. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel.